Hey, hello kids, and welcome to a new social studies lesson. In today's class, we will cover the temperate natural landscapes. First, we need to know the objective of the lesson. That is very important. The objective of the lesson is to describe the landscapes of the temperate zones and why human beings prefer living there. So, temperate natural landscapes. Where are located the temperate landscapes? We can find the temperate landscapes between the tropics and the polar circles, as you can see here on the map. Temperate zone in green between the tropics and polar circle. Remember that. An important fact is most of the world population live in the temperate zones in the northern hemisphere. This is where we can find most of the population of the world in countries like Canada, the United States, Russia, etc. Think, why do human beings prefer living in the temperate regions? Think about that. Well, here's a reason. Temperate climates have attracted the largest human populations. One reason for the attraction has been the abundance of forest, farmland, and fresh water. The climate is perfect for agriculture as well. This is why human beings prefer living there because the weather conditions are much better. And there we can see the four seasons. Do you remember the four seasons? Yes? Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. In the temperate zone, we have the four seasons. Examples of temperate landscapes: grassland, marine, and Mediterranean. This is my favorite, Mediterranean. Temperate landscapes. Let's start with the Mediterranean. There you can see a picture of a Mediterranean landscape. Summers here are usually hot, proof, and dry. Yes, this is perfect for agriculture. And conditions in these areas are also ideal for fauna and vegetation. Let's continue with grassland. In the grassland landscape, well, these areas are usually located in the interior of any continent. There is low rainfall, cold winters, and hot summers. Grassy prairies are predominant here, like in the picture down below. And the last one, marine landscape. As you can see in the picture, these areas are close to the sea. This is why it's called marine, because they are close to the sea. This allowed mild summer temperatures and cold winters. It rains year-round more intensely in winter. And there is a diverse fauna and vegetation as well. The population distribution. As you can see in the map in yellow, there is less population, but in red, there are more population. Can you see that in the map? More population in red and less population in yellow.
Now let's play Kahoot to check our content. So are you ready to start the Kahoot activity? Let's begin. Climate zones. How many climate zones are there? A few, 500, 3, or 13? What is your answer? The right answer is 3. Number 2. What are the 3 climate zones? Cold, hot, really cold. Polar, temperate, tropical. Arctic, rainforest, plains. Ocean, mountains, bed. The correct answer is polar, temperate, and tropical zone. Question number 3. What is a climate zone? Parts of Earth separated into zones by temperatures and rain. Places colder than others. Small Africa. That's very easy. The correct answer is parts of Earth separated into zones. Question number 4. What climate zone do we live in? Temperature, the desert, Colorado, temperate. The correct answer is temperate zone. Question number 5. What animals live in the polar climate zone? Seals, polar bears, walruses, narwhals, unicorns, dinosaurs, and vegetables, bears, wolves, monkeys, or elephants, zebras, and lions? The correct answer is seals, polar bears, etc. Question number 6. What animals live in the tropical climate zone? Birds, hippos, orcas, plants, stuff, birds, reptiles, insects. The correct answer is birds, reptiles, insects. Question number 7. What lives in the temperate climate zone? Whales, polar bears, penguins and orcas, bison and elephants. Bison and elephants we can find in the temperate climate zone. Question number 8. Name a continent with at least 2 climate zones in it. North America, South America, Asia, or Antarctica. It can be 3 of them. Well, North America, South America, and Asia are okay. Question number 9. What is the main influence on climate? Rainfall, average temperatures, average snowfall, how many sunny days in a year? The correct answer is rainfall and average temperatures. And the last question. What was this quiz about? Animals, weather, climate zones, or vegetables? Climate zones.
Bueno muchachos, hemos llegado al final de nuestra clase, espero la hayas disfrutado. Lo que vimos hoy día fue describir lo que eran las zonas templadas. ¿Dónde encontramos la zona templada en el planeta? Bueno, entre los trópicos y las zonas polares. Justo ahí, justo al medio de esas dos zonas. Los paisajes que pudimos describir fueron grasslands, que es como las praderas, zonas marinas, y la zona mediterránea. Cada una con sus distintas características y distintos tipos de clima y temperatura, ¿ya? Todo esto en la zona templada. Recuerda, la zona templada es donde la mayor parte de la población vive. ¿Por qué? Porque es la zona más agradable, tenemos las 4 estaciones del año, perfecta para la agricultura, no hace ni mucho frío ni mucho calor. Es por eso que es una zona bastante agradable para vivir. Espero hayas disfrutado la clase y nos vemos en la próxima.
Now it's time to work. Do the getting ready for work activity given by the teacher. Bye bye and see you next class.